Install a programmable irrigation weather station to optimize irrigation schedules during new home construction and ensure landscape water use matches actual site conditions. Start by selecting a weather sensor suite that measures local temperature, humidity, wind speed, solar radiation, and rainfall, so the controller can calculate evapotranspiration accurately. Mount the sensors at the correct height and clear surroundings, so solar radiation readings are not shaded and wind sensors are exposed. A 2-meter mounting height is standard for many manufacturers. Choose an evapotranspiration-based controller or add a retrofit module that accepts weather inputs and configure the crop coefficient and rooting depth for your specific turf or plant palette to translate evapotranspiration into run times. For power, use a small photovoltaic array paired with a rechargeable battery if mains power is not nearby, making sure the charge controller is sized for your location and winter sun angles. Connect the rain sensor in series or via the controller input so it can suspend irrigation during measurable storms and configure the rain delay threshold to avoid false positives from light misting. Calibrate humidity and rain sensors seasonally and keep radiation sensors free of dust and spider webs by cleaning them monthly during the first year. This preserves data quality for automated adjustments. The 3 most common mistakes are installing sensors in shaded or obstructed locations, failing to configure plant-specific parameters, and neglecting ongoing maintenance. If sensors are shaded or too low, move the mast to an exposed spot and re-level instruments so readings reflect true site exposure. If plant parameters are left at default, take the time to set crop coefficient and root zone depth for each zone and run through a few manual test cycles to verify that calculated run times match expected moisture changes. If maintenance is ignored, schedule simple quarterly checks to clear debris, verify sensor alignment, and compare controller suggested runtimes to actual soil moisture checks, so small errors are caught before they become big water waste. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover local contractors for irrigation upgrades by listing professionals who take on new home construction and retrofit projects, and by hosting a discussion community where real users share installation experiences and vendor feedback. We make it easier for contractors to find work by giving them a place to connect with motivated homeowners and contribute to topic threads about best practices for sensors, controllers, and installation tips.